Hi everyone. So this is me, Lovely, and for today is my first vlog. Kono hi. So today is what time is it now? Let me see. Let me see. Ano naman kawin? Oh my god, it's 1:10 in the morning. Kadlawon di ay guys. So bago na ko na manong video report. Look. So today I'm going to do get ready with me. So get ready with me. So get ready with me guys, kamatog na. But before that guys is I'm going to cleanse my face, my fucking face. So kina akong gamiton guys. So kita man man pa guys. Kina akong gamiton. Pagbutang nga ta. Okay, kapag cotton. Hindi siya ordinary na cotton guys. It's just mata pa mo guys. Gabiin naman. Natulog na ba all? Kaya ako, di pa ako matulog guys. So, as you can see guys, hindi dahil siya na ano guys, like, I feel like, muglow siya, like, muglow up in yung skin, ano itong magbutang ka. Like, I mean, shiny shimmering siya sa mga. So next is, last but not least, nag-ano ko guys, pamang ko tabay cream, not done ko, so I'm going to use, nagagawa use ko every day, or yeah, every night also sunscreen, even though it's evening, I mean morning, early. Bugay man na to guys, mag-add up ng black bag sa atong under eyes. Kuyat na kayo na date guys because semifinals na magkaroon. I think it's semifinals. So, bira-bira gina guys. Bira 100. Oh look, as you can see my face guys, it's so glowing. It's like so fresh. Another day. Wait, it's my first upload video. Wala lang, gusto lang ako kwenta, mabuti mo. But anyway guys, wala lang. Magtuloto ninyo guys na murag mamatay tayo sa'yo ba? I did lang ako. So guys, so anyway, this is my face after. Kasi guys, oh. So naka-sunscreen na siya guys. So anyway guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!